Wow, I actually missed that last step. That was pretty embarrassing. I'm packing the night before, so it's Thursday. I don't think I've packed the Thursday before LAN party before. I usually do it on Friday morning, but I'm packing right now tonight. And then what I'm gonna do is pack the car, and tomorrow morning when my girlfriend goes to work, I'm gonna head out with her, except I'm gonna just start driving down south. So that will hopefully only take about an hour, maybe an hour and a half tops. But I should get there around 7:30 at the latest. So it's still gonna be really early. I'm not sure when everyone else is gonna get to LAN, but at least I can set up and then I can take a nap if I need to, or I could just, you know, get on the computer and start editing videos or something, or playing solo games until other people get there. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pack all my stuff like I normally do, and yeah. Alright, so this is everything I'm bringing. Now that I'm looking at it, it seems like a lot of stuff. But we have most of the computer essentials right here, the tower and peripherals, all that. Got the monitor, got the air mattress because nobody wants to sleep on a hard floor. We did it before, it hurts. Blankets and pillows. This is the backpack with all the other tech stuff, batteries and such. And then gym bag for clothes, toothbrush, and deodorant and things like that. Oh yeah, and this is gonna be the first time I'm bringing my personal chair too. What we normally do is we sit on these really crappy, you know, those foldable metal chairs that they have for like events and stuff. It's pretty uncomfortable for the whole weekend, so I decided that this time I want to try this out. And then I do have snacks too. Let me show you my snacks. So this is what I'm bringing. This is just like the personal stash. Everyone brings their own personal stuff that they want to eat. What we do before every LAN party is we have everyone send $10 to the person who's gonna go make the run for us to Costco to get the snacks for everybody. So we've already done that. We're gonna have a whole bunch of other stuff too, but this is what I wanted to bring personally for myself. And we got a lot of Mountain Dew products here. I love these Kickstart drinks. They're so cheap. I think they're like $1, sometimes less. They come in a whole bunch of different flavors and they have caffeine in them. Not a crazy amount, but a decent amount. I actually just like the taste of it. Blue Mountain Dew, because blue flavored drink of anything is delicious. So Mountain Dew, you know, if you want to sponsor me, feel free to. Funyuns and some Ruffles for some saltiness. I got some banana bread that my girlfriend made. It's banana walnut chocolate chip bread, so that's gonna be good. And gonna have some water. Now that I'm looking at it, I think it might be a little hard to fit that chair, but let's see. So that took longer than I expected. My initial plan did not work out. I put the chair in, then I realized I couldn't get the box in with my tower, so I had to rearrange everything, and then I had problems fitting the monitor in. It turned out to be a lot of stuff, especially since my car's not that big. The hatchbackness did help, but let me show you how I got everything in there. I put the box in first, then I was able to get the chair in. In the back here, I got all the sleeping stuff and backpack and gym bag. For everyone who's been watching since the very beginning LAN party stories, I still got the Gatorade. It's still in here, and we actually still have a bottle left. Let's check the expiration date on this. Not that I plan to drink it, it's just kind of like a long tradition. Can you see that? October 1st, 2016. But the car is packed now, and I think I'm gonna go to sleep because it is What time is it? It's already 11:20, so I'm gonna wake up in about 6-ish hours to get ready to go.
I'm recording you. I'm recording you.
What time is it?
8:30.
Yeah, right. I would cry. All that work for nothing. Alright, so it is 5:55, time to head out. The direction says it's gonna take an hour and 13 minutes. So let's get this trip started. This time we got the garage door opener, so I'm not gonna have to run and jump. We can just drive out. I'm acting like this is such an advanced technology or something, but this is just referencing to the last video where I had to run and jump. 4 miles into the trip and I'm already hitting stop and go traffic. I thought traffic didn't start until at least another half hour. But I think it's already accounted for in the Google Maps trip, so this shouldn't be too bad. So we're about 2/3 of the way done with the drive. It's 6:55 right now, so basically 7 a.m. I have about 30 minutes left to go according to Google Maps, but as you can see, there's daylight now, so that's pretty awesome. There it is! Google Maps was completely off. Oh yeah. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna start unpacking and...
Your destination is on the left.
Be quiet. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna start unpacking and bringing everything inside now, so you guys know the drill. The rest of the LAN party will be in the following video, which, if I plan this right, should be relatively soon after this one. But I just want to say thank you, as always, for watching. I really do appreciate it. I will see you in the next video, as well as in the comments. Bye.